你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the exception spelling of the final. Yuan. When you see the English letter UAN and the U has two dots above it in Pinyin, the pronunciation is yuan. Try to pronounce the English letter U and N one after another fast, like UN, 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 UN. But over-exaggerate the N with spread lips like a smile. Try, say yuan. Remember to pucker your lips first to pronounce the U sound, then followed by the N of the English name, Wendy. Be careful not to pronounce the AN as a big mouth an sound, but as a half open mouth, spread lips, N sound. Let's try. Say yuan. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. Yuan, 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 yuan. When the final yuan is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as UAN. The U sound is without the two dots on top of it. And when the final yuan sound is following the initial ji, qi, xi, yi, it spelled the letter UAN. The U sound is without the two dots on top of it. When you see pinyin JUAN, the pronunciation is juan. And when you see pinyin QUAN, the pronunciation is chuan. The same rules also applies to xuan, XUAN, yuan, YUAN. Pronunciation exercise for yuan sound. Let's combine the initial ji, the final yuan, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Ji, yuan, juan. Repeat after me. Ji, yuan, juan. Juan, juan, juan. Juan is to donate in Chinese. Let's combine the initial qi, the final yuan, and the high-pitched first tone all together. Qi, yuan, quan. Repeat after me. Qi, yuan, quan, 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 quan. Quan is circle in Chinese. Let's combine the initial E, the final yuan, and the high rising second tone, question tone all together. Yuan. Repeat after me. Yuan, 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 yuan. Yuan is the dollar in Chinese. Question. When you see JUAN first tone in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is juan. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.